Inbuilt functions. id is a function used to get the address of the data or object. For example, a is equal to 10, id of a, print id of 10. Execute it. We can see the address of a and address of 10. Next inbuilt function is print. It is a standard function used to print output on the console. Syntax is print variable 1, variable 2, separator, end. By default, separator between two variables is space. We can also give desired values. Print 10, 20, sep is equal to. Here we can see that the two values are separated by dollar symbol. By default, print statement gives new line or slash n after two print statements. When we execute it, we can see that since we have given end is equal to underscore underscore, the values are separated by underscore underscore. The next function is input. The input function takes the input from the user at runtime. By default, the input function takes a string data type. For example, variable 1 is equal to input enter data, print variable 1 comma type of variable 1. When we execute it, even if I enter a numerical value, the data type is string. I convert it into integer and now I execute it. Enter any data. You can see integer. It is converted to integer. Next is variable 3 is equal to float input enter data, print variable 3 type of variable 3, here we can see that the data is converted into float data type. Next, variable flow 4 is equal to complex of input enter data, print variable 4 comma type of variable 4, we can see that the value 1 is converted to 1 plus 0j and the class is complex. Next one, is equal to list of input, enter data, print variable 5, type of variable 5, and execute it. We can see the way data is converted into a list. Next, variable 6 is equal to set of input, enter data, print variable 6, type of variable 6, execute it. You can see that the value 1 is converted into a set. Next one, variable 7 is equal to tuple input, enter data, print variable 7 and type of variable 7. We can see here that the value 1 is changed into tuple. Next, variable 8 is equal to bool of input, enter data, print variable 8 and type of variable 8. Enter value 1, true. Next is type function. Type function returns the data type of the value given. For example, a is equal to 10, print type of a, integer. Minus 10 is also integer. 2.5 float. 1 plus 2j complex.